Hello, my name is Sean Marquardt, and I would like to share with you how to play a great game that I created with your students called Line Hunt. This game is a twist on the classic game Battleship, where players will use their knowledge of graphing to find their opponent's lines. To play Line Hunt, all you need are two coordinate planes with a domain and range from -5 to 5. Coordinate planes are attached in the rule sheet below. And one graph is for plotting your own lines, and the other is for tracking your guesses on your opponent's lines. And you also need a pencil or a pen to record your lines and your hits, misses, and closes. And optionally, a divider or folder to hide your graph. You could also sit back to back with your opponent. The mathematical goal of Line Hunt is to strengthen students' understanding of slope and graphing on the coordinate plane. Players will practice graphing lines, identifying coordinate points, and recognizing slope types. It also builds logical thinking and spatial reasoning throughout gameplay. To start the game, each player secretly graphs 3 lines on their coordinate plane, where each line has at least 3 points on the grid. The lines must follow these rules. There must be one line with a slope of -1, 0, 1, or undefined, one line with a slope of -2, -1/2, 1/2, or 2, and one line with a slope of -3, -1/3, 1/3, or 3. All points the line goes through on the grid from -5 to 5 must be plotted. Then, players take turns guessing coordinate points, like 2, 3. The older player goes first. Each guess will result in 1 of 3 outcomes. Hit. You guessed a point on one of your opponent's lines. Close. You guessed a point that is exactly 1 unit away from the pointed line. As you can see in the bottom left, it's 1 unit away, so it's touching it by 1 line. A miss. You're more than 1 unit away from any line point. If multiple lines cross at a guess point, the player must say how many lines pass through it. To officially find a line, a player must correctly guess or hit 3 distinct points on that line. The first player to correctly identify all 3 lines of their opponent wins the game, but there's a twist. The losing player gets a redemption round. They get one final guess. If it's a hit, they may keep guessing until they miss. If they find the last line this way, the game ends in a tie. Otherwise, the original player wins. Now, since you guys know how to play Line Hunt, I'm going to show you a quick video example of 2 of my classmates playing Line Hunt.
Okay, you go first. 0, 0. Miss. 2, 2. Close. 1, 1. Miss. 1, 2. Close. 0, -2. Miss. 2, 3. Miss. -3, 3. Miss. 2, 1. Hit. -3, -3. Hit. 1, 1. Close. Oh wait, no, hit. -2, -2. Miss. 0, 1. You found my line.
And that's how you play Line Hunt. Thank you so much for learning to play the game that I created. For Principal playing sheets, visit the link in the description. Thanks for watching.